Hey everybody, how's it going? It's Jamie the Crafty DIY Guy. Welcome to my channel. All right, everybody, today's video is going to be a little bit different than my normal Dollar Tree haul because this is actually a mystery haul. Now, those of you that have been following me on social media, you know that I'm sick. I had COVID over Christmas and I'm getting over it now. This is kind of the residual flu or cold that kind of comes with it. And it sucks. But the good thing is I'm now COVID negative. So anyway, I have not gone out and gone shopping and I need to do Valentine's DIYs. I recently released my kind of best Valentine DIY and a friend of mine that lives in the neighborhood and she is a crafter, but she doesn't have a YouTube channel or anything. I sent her to Dollar Tree for me to find me some things to craft and do some DIYs with. So this will be a two-part video because I'm going to go through the haul and then I'm going to show you in part two what I made for Valentine's Day crafts. So, she got me about $60 worth of stuff. So obviously I can see, in the bags like this, but I don't really know what is in here. So we're going to do this mystery haul together. I'm actually really excited about it. For those of you that are my subscribers, thank you so much for being here. I truly appreciate you. And if you're brand new to the channel, my name is Jamie. Hopefully you'll stick around. I do DIYs and thrift flips and lots of shopping hauls and different things, except for when I got the crud. And that all kind of came to a stop. So I'm excited. Let's just jump in. By the way, she kept the receipt, so she's getting her own Fetch Rewards points for that. But remember, when you are shopping, if you do have receipts, scan those into the Fetch Rewards app. There's a code below in the description box, and you can earn points that you can then redeem for gift cards to go shopping with again. All right, that's the last part. Let's jump into this because I don't know what she's got. Now, the store that she went to is a Dollar Tree Plus store. Most of my stores in my area are now Dollar Tree Plus stores. And also, nothing in my store is over $1 yet, with the exception of the Plus items. We're still at $1. We haven't done the price increase to the $1.25 yet. So, it'll get there. The only thing I told my friend is that I'm looking for Valentine's Day stuff. I want to do some DIYs, maybe some gifting ideas, and that was it. So, we'll see what she came in. First thing, I've seen this in so many people's hauls, kissing booth sign, so I'm pretty excited about that. I don't know if I'm going to use everything that she got me for a DIY purpose, at least for Valentine's Day, but we'll see. Okay, some heart-shaped marshmallows from Dollar Tree. Oh, this is cute. That's cute. A little love sign. Love meter. It's funny. It says, I prefer my pets. I guess you'll do XO and XO and be mine. That's actually really cute. And, okay. It's got a little paper on the front. So that could easily turn into another DIY. Maybe like a hungry scale or something like that. I don't know. All right, wood heart. I think I probably have like 6 of these in my stash already. So we'll figure out something. The hair is kind of crazy this morning. Oh, oh wow, this is really cute. It looks like I have an extra heart too. Great puzzle set here. These are probably MDF, I would imagine. And, okay, this was from the Dollar Tree Plus section, so it's $3. Great, like, that could be a fun, like, tic-tac-toe game or something like that. So that's actually really cute. Gosh, that could be a very easy DIY right there. So, cool. I actually like that a lot. I'm going to put that in a separate pile for a DIY. Popcorn buckets. All right, we'll see. We'll see what's in here. Just put that here. Bag at number 2. All All right, some great signs. I have quite a few of these. This is kind of a sign template that they've been using at Dollar Tree for a lot of different signs, and I love actually using these. So this is not a bad thing, even if I don't use them for a. And I mean, how beautiful is that? Really, you could just use that as a sign. They're making so much great stuff right now. So if I don't use that for DIY for Valentine's Day, I'll figure out something else for it. Oh, this is adorable. Oh, that's cute. It's like a little delivery truck sign plaque. Hugs and kisses, fast and free delivery. That could be fun. That could be fun to use. The wheel is messed up on it. But, I mean, that's an easy DIY into something else. Okay, that's cute. Little heart-shaped kind of candle stand. Excuse me. I don't really know what I'm going to use that for, but maybe. We'll see. I'll put it in the maybe pile. Okay, I told her I was wanted to do like a gift basket or something like that, so she got me some of these gift bags, so that's cool. That will come in handy for something, I'm sure. And if not, something to put aside. Felt heart stickers. I think I have figure it out. Oh, these are cute. Okay. Oh, these are really cute, actually. Little galvanized metal envelopes with the heart and everything. I could totally see using these in my office for stuff, but not maybe taking the Valentine's stuff off. I'm assuming that's a sticker of aggravating proportion to try and remove from there, but that's it's an option. Those are cute, actually. They're really cute. They'd be cute ornaments too. All right, I have one of these already, but that's okay. Great, like iridescent jar. I could see why. It's got the pinks and everything in it. That's really pretty. Metal lid. All right, I'll put that in the DIY idea pile. I do have an idea. Let's see, two more things in here. There is a white chalk pen. I have some of these, but I can always use more. They're actually really, really good too. If you've never tried them, they are really, really good. Excuse me. A red bucket. Probably something Valentine's Day that can be done with that. I wonder if I could write with the chalk marker on the bucket. I bet I could. Oh, this hair is crazy today. All right. Bag number 3. Popcorn. Okay, that makes sense now with the popcorn thing. So that's kind of cute. Actually, maybe be a DIY idea. All right, some movies. Best of Me and Flugels. I won't watch that. Maybe somebody will. This, I like James Marsden, so who knows? It's from the authors of The Notebook, so it's probably a good movie. I haven't seen it, but, all right. Movie, popcorn, maybe. Oh, this is adorable. A heart-shaped hot chocolate bomb. They made these at Christmas time that were round, and that could be really fun. I might just have that myself. Wow, lots of candy. All right, Cracker Jack. Some kisses. Some more kisses. Some Tootsie Pops. Something is stuck here. Okay. Some like Tootsie Pops. Some more kisses. Oh, she got me this because she knows my throat's bothering me, so that's why she got me that. So that's sweet. Twizzlers, my favorite candy ever. And some white peanut butter hearts. Okay. So candy, all right, there's a little theme. And then the last bag. Let's see how this goes. Socks. She knows I love socks. So These are adorable. Oh my gosh. All right. Look at that. All those dogs. Oh my gosh. So cute. And then these are adorable. I'll put these on like while I'm DIYing. XOXO with little arrows. How cute are those? The little red and pink trucks for Valentine's Day with the hearts. That's super cute. And then, oh, kitties. They're little Mr. Otis socks. And I really love, look at the fish. Look at the fish. Oh my gosh, how stinking cute. And they say they're from size 6 to 12. I wear 12, so we'll see. Uh-oh, that one's got a little funky. But we'll just trim that off with scissors because it's getting longer. So that's kind of fun. Oh, maybe with a bucket I could do something with those. All right, some shred filler. That's good. I told her I did want to do like a gift basket or something like that, so that could be an idea. Oh, this is fun. I actually have one of these and use this when I would go into the office for my, like in my lunch. It's great because it's got 2 separate containers on either side. And then it's also got this little mini container on the inside. So that is actually really good for lunches. And I'll just put that in the kitchen because I like the other one that I have, so I might as well. All right, these are cute. Little fabric treat bags. Let's see what I'm going to do with those. Little containers with the Valentines. They say like, sweets for you, baked with love, and there could be nothing sweeter than you. Oh. These are cute. Oh, I got 2. Gumball Machines, little heart-shaped ones. That's really cute, actually. Oh, and they really do turn. Huh. So that's really cute from Dollar Tree. I don't know if I'm going to use those for DIY or not, but it could be fun. Let's see. What else do we have here? Some ribbon, some decorative mesh, and some, this is really nice, velvet. Velvet ribbon. All right, some little glittery clips, and glitter's getting everywhere. Those are cute. Those are really cute, actually. With the 3, it's kind of hard to see this one, but it's got 3 hearts. And then kind of looks like a balloon bouquet. That's kind of cute. And then a couple more things. Some of these DIY kind of stickers. Those are always fun. And then lastly, this little Be Mine box. It's actually cute. All right, so I have some DIYs to figure out for you guys. I am going to make this be a 2-part video, so I guess tune in for the next video to see the DIYs that I come up with. And until next time, thank you guys for being here. I appreciate you, of course, as a subscriber, and I look forward to bringing you some fun DIY projects. And I'm going to go do something with this hair. All right, guys, bye-bye.